For we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My subscribers, congratulations. We now have 1,000 subscribers and I am super happy and super appreciative of every one of you. 1,000 of you that have subscribed to my channel. It is amazing. You know, usually when you start this YouTube journey, you don't know that people would appreciate what you do. Talk less of having 1,000 people. 1,000. That's enough to fill maybe 2 or 3 aircrafts. Yes, 1,000 of you, and I'm happy to have you. Thank you so much. And thank you for supporting. This means a lot to me. And if you're a returning viewer and you're not yet subscribed, why don't you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are always notified when I upload a new video. I'm going to be very happy if you do this, just to add to my joy and add to the other 1,000 family members that are here. Together, we're rooting for you to subscribe. So today, as the title suggests, is a first impression show and tell. I got these 2 niche fragrances that I would love to share with you. So without much ado, let's get into the video. The first fragrance is Van Cleef's Appel, and it is Orchidee Vanille, and it's from their extra collection extraordinaire. So it is like a private blend, a private like a private side of the Van Cleef and Appel's collection, or Van Cleef et Appel, depending on how you want to call it. So this is the box. It's a white box. It has like a light mint green at the back, and that same detailing is also at the front, you know, double stickered like that. It's white, so I know that it's going to be slightly washed off. So it's 75 ml, which is 2.5 flowing ounces. Oh, beautiful. This is what it looks like in the box. I like how it sits pretty in the box. It's very nice. It's black. It's very simplistic. A lot of these private blends and they're very simple. They don't do too much on the bottle. It's just a simple bottle with a sticker that says Collection Extraordinaire. It says the name and there's a number. So I think probably like a batch number or something. So this is how it looks. It's a heavy black cover, silver. I have, let me see, great atomizer. So wait, okay, let me let the alcohol dry because I can barely smell anything, but I would love the alcohol to dry down so that I smell it. Okay, so the smell is coming. It's obviously a vanilla smell. I can smell some floral notes, I'm not sure. And then it's getting sweet. I feel like it's getting gourmandish. It's beginning to smell like something sweet, like some vanilla bun. Something edible, but I can't really put my finger on it. Honestly, overall, I'm kind of underwhelmed. I don't know if it shows on my face. I'm kind of underwhelmed because I've heard a lot about the fragrance. So, you know, but I know also, in all fairness, that it's been said the performance is not, like, it doesn't perform so well. So I know that it doesn't perform very well. So I'm not even, okay, so it smells sweet. I'm getting the sweetness. It's very sweet. Vanilla, sweet vanilla, but it's not baby. It's like a matured sweet vanilla thing. It smells like if you go into like a grandma's house that likes to bake things, you smell some, you know, sophisticated baked vanilla goods. Like, and it's not just like, it doesn't smell like, you know, the vanilla that you get in the bottle, the cheap ones, like vanilla essence. No, this smells like a very high budget luxury vanilla, you know, one that they will press in some luxury oils and, you know, that kind. It's not bad. I'm not wowed, but it's well made. Like, from the smell, you smell that it's a quality fragrance, but it's going to be super mild. It's going to stick very close because I really need to literally put my nose in and really sniff to be able to smell it that much. it's fine. I like it. I'm happy that I got it. I don't really have regrets, but it's not blowing me away like that. So the next one I have is Montel's Intense Cafe. So this is how it looks like. The box, I'm not showing the back because my finger is on the back, so the back would have fingerprint. Gold is like a magnet for fingerprint. So this is how it looks. I'm very excited. This is my first Montel. Can you comment in the comment section? Tell me what Montels you own, which ones you think I should add to my collection. And as I'm making up my list for my I have a wish list that I make. So then, okay, something fell off. Great. Okay, so let me put it back. So this one fell off, and then this is like, I think this comes in over here. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look, like this. So that gold thing that is dangling is supposed to prevent it from, you know, just spraying on its own. So if you want to use it, you take it off, and then this is it. I'm going to spritz it here since I sprayed the other one there. Whoa, great. Because it's new, it was taking time to, ooh, I can smell it. I don't know. It smells woody. Like there's some form of wood in it. There's some woody notes in it. But it's a very dark fragrance. It's very heavy. It opens very similar to oud vanille. It has that signature medicinal woody thing that oh, I forgot to say it came in a pouch. So it came in this pouch, just like Mancera. It came in this pouch. I don't know if I showed it. So this is how it looks. Let's go to the smell. It has that smell that oud vanille has, but it's very deep. It's very complex and layered. It's a very nice smell. It's heavy. I know that it's like a heavy hitting smell because even prior to like opening it, maybe because the thing came off already, I could smell the fragrance. This is very beautiful. I like this. This is nice. I know that I'll enjoy this. I'm not saying I'll enjoy the other one, but being a lover of very strong smells and very strong perfumes, I think that's why I'm kind of underwhelmed. Can you tell me if you have any experience with Van Cleef Arpels Orchidee Vanille or any of their perfumes in the Collection Extraordinaire, so that I know about it. So this is the two fragrances I just wanted to come out here and share with you. I'm going to have a giveaway, but I haven't figured out the details. I've been thinking about it, but in my next video I probably would have figured out which fragrance I want to do the giveaway with and what the criteria for the giveaway is going to be. I know that's going to be very simple so that everyone would have a chance to win the gift or gifts, depending on what I decide at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next. Like always, I say stay safe and stay scented. Bye bye.